Congratulations on purchasing the Atmosphere Drive Car Air Treatment System. Here's how to operate the system. Let's go out to the car. Make sure the car is parked. Never install or operate the unit while driving. The on-off button is in the center of the display panel, along with the particle sensor indicator. The filter replacement indicator should be green. When it's amber, it's time to order a new filter. And when it's red, it's time to change the filter. The fan speed has 3 indicators: auto, high, and low. For optimum performance, keep your car windows closed and the car ventilation set to circulate. Power the unit on. The default fan speed is auto. When the unit is in auto speed, the speed of the fan depends on the air quality indicator. In poor air quality conditions, the fan will run at high speed. When the air improves, the speed automatically moves to the low setting to maintain air quality. To manually change the fan speed to high or low, press the fan speed button. With the Atmosphere Drive Car Air Treatment System, you and your passengers will breathe cleaner air inside your car.